talk a minute about the owner onboarding process. Owner onboarding is triggered at the end of the owner sales process when the lead is converted to a client. Owner onboarding can be broken down into 2 active stages and 2 outcomes. Each stage includes the steps of the process that must be completed before moving to the next stage. The collecting information stage includes steps such as confirming the property management agreement has been signed, sending the welcome email and onboarding packet to the owner, starting the property onboarding process, confirming all documents have been received, and adding the owner to your property management software. At that point, the process moves into the 90-day follow-up stage. This stage is your opportunity to create lifelong loyalty by providing the ultimate customer experience for your new clients. This stage includes steps such as mailing welcome gifts, regular check-in phone calls, and auto emails where you can include pre-recorded videos about next steps, what to expect in the leasing process, invoices, statements, and payments. Then the process moves into the owner onboarded stage, and at this point it is complete. But if the owner canceled at any point or you determined it wasn't a good fit, there are 2 canceled stages you can move the process into and add a note as to why the process was canceled. Now, note that there is conditional logic built into the process to generate follow-up emails if you haven't received the property management agreement or all of the onboarding documents. You can also include instructions on how to add the owner to your property management software, and then use Loom or BombBomb or another video recording service to easily record videos that you can then embed into your email templates. And remember, this template is simply a starting point. It is completely customizable to make it fit your owner onboarding process.